Pistol shrimp and gobies form a rare mutualistic bond where each species does a specific survival job. While the pistol shrimp constantly digs and maintains a shared burrow, the goby stands guard outside. This teamwork helps both species survive, especially since the shrimp is nearly blind and highly vulnerable alone. Digging is the shrimp's full-time job. It constantly expands and repairs the tunnel for both animals to use. The goby uses its sharp vision to detect predators and warns the shrimp by flicking its tail. The goby's tail touches act like a silent communication system that even a blind shrimp understands. As the shrimp excavates, it throws sand and debris backward, allowing the goby to rest near the entrance. These two species often form lifelong partnerships, living in the same burrow for months or even years.